you get angry?
Yes, probably less so than my husband.
They don't look around, they don't try and make eye contact.
I vent it in the car, definitely.
Yeah, the face, the look, because you have an evil look sometimes.
You can get very, very annoying and make you very angry.
Everyone is annoyed about it, but no one really talks about it that much.
When he's concentrated, he has this face, and when he's angry, he has this face. So.
Yeah, so you can't tell.
Bite your lip and get more and more angry inside.
You'll get people glaring and muttering, but not necessarily shouting at you.
Hiya, welcome to Easy English. So with Brits being known for their politeness and keep calm and carry on attitude, I want to know, do Brits get angry? And if so, what do we get angry about? It's time to find out. Here we go. Do either of you two get angry as Brits?
Yeah, well...
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Yes, probably less so than my husband.
Do you get angry as a Brit?
I can get angry, yes.
Do you get angry?
Yes.
You do. As a British person, you do get angry.
Yes.
Not as much as some Brits, I guess.
Not
sometimes.
necessarily. At home, we get angry with things.
Right.
But when you're out and about...
What makes you angry, if anything?
The politicians, I suppose.
What really gets you angry?
Okay, one thing that really gets me angry is potholes in the road and a lack of community care from councils. That really grinds my gears.
Really bad service.
Yeah. Cyclists not ringing their bells and
behind
things.
you, yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Rude people. If you held the door open for you and they just walk straight through and don't even acknowledge that you've done anything.
Okay.
That I find that maybe anger's a bit too strong a word, but
That
it
winds you up.
does wind me up a little bit, yes.
Personally, I always me off people that speed. Like when your friends are trying to show off to you and they're like driving really fast. That's just one thing that annoys me personally.
Well, the whole political situation at the moment with the fraud and all the stuff that goes on with the current government, it just makes me really cross.
I'm not very happy when I see other people not being respected in, like, restaurants or even hospitals. Not having respect for the people who are looking after them makes me quite angry.
It demonstrates that there's something fundamentally not working in British society. Potholes are a great signifier of exactly that.
Do you think there's a truth to the myth that Brits kind of sort of refrain from letting out their anger?
No, I don't think that's true. I think they go on demonstrations and they go on social media.
What is it then about sort of not speaking up so much in public? Is that a thing? Is that sort of a stereotypical British thing?
I think it is.
Yeah, I think it is.
I think it is. We're
still
too
more
polite.
reserved and polite.
Brits are known for sort of keeping a stiff upper lip, this phrase, and keep calm, carry on. Would you speak it out? And how would you do it?
I tend to say thank you.
Oh.
So the sarcasm comes out.
That's sometimes worse.
Which is very which is a British trait, isn't it?
Do you speak it out?
No.
Or do you bite your lip?
Bite your lip and get more and more angry inside.
That seems to be most people's answers.
They think they're like being really cool, and you're like, mate.
Okay, so you do speak it out then?
Yeah.
I'm a member of the Labour Party. If that's doing something with my anger.
Probably, it's not.
The main thing is I vote.
If I see somebody being rude,
Yeah.
I will very politely kind of go, oh, I don't know that you need to do that or say that.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I think you tend to hear more people sort of muttering under their breath, but not actually
not actually doing
speaking
anything.
out.
Yeah.
Or like tutting and stuff.
We do. Yeah.
That's it.
Sarcasm's a British trait.
Exactly.
So I'm very good on the thank yous.
You like to play the irony cards.
That's right. That's me.
People from other countries, maybe they'd be quicker to speak up.
When was the last time you were made angry by a politician? Or by the news in general?
Oh, I mean, that's on a daily basis, you know.
Are you looking to improve your English? We offer 3 tiers to help you improve your English, including our video membership. In return for becoming a member, we'll send you language learning extras for all of our episodes, including a transcript, a vocabulary list, a worksheet, and audio and video downloads. Our worksheet tests your knowledge on the vocabulary used in each episode, giving you multiple choice questions based around the more extensive vocabulary, British slang, and an odd ones out question at the end. So to become an Easy English member and get language learning goodies, go to the link up here and become a member now. Now back to the episode. What sign should you look out for that you've off a Brit? It's all quite subtle stuff, isn't it?
It is very much so.
You'll get people glaring and muttering, but not necessarily shouting at you.
If you do something and the other people look like they're not very happy about it and make a comment, then take it on board that perhaps you need to correct what you did.
I did mention something to someone in a queue once, and she turned around and said, "We're never happier unless we're moaning about something," and we both laughed about it.
And you were also queuing, the most stereotypical conversation ever. What are the telltale signs then if we do tend to bite our lip?
Well, it would only be evident in body language, wouldn't it, or facial expression.
As a non-Brit, do you have any advice for someone who maybe is coming to UK soon as to what to look out for if maybe they've pissed off a Brit? Are there telltale signs? Would a Brit make it obvious that they're pissed off with you?
Yeah, the face, the look, because you have an evil look sometimes.
Thanks.
Yeah, but they are so friendly, so it's really hard to make them angry, I think.
Okay.
Because they're so over-friendly, so...
It's about someone riding a bike on a pedestrian bit.
Okay.
And nearly having a crash, and we said, well, it shouldn't have been on it anyway. And she said, yeah, we're never happy unless we're moaning. I suppose it's kind of partly true.
So you'll never really know you've pissed off a Brit because they won't tell you, they'll tell the guy behind you in the queue
exactly,
about...
yeah.
They'll bitch about you.
I think so, yeah.
But there'll be no audio.
No, exactly.
No audio clues.
Yeah, exactly. So somebody's face will freeze over, or their features will go all taut.
And so what do you think makes British people angry?
If they maybe don't have alcohol.
Yeah? Just say that's so?
You agree?
Yeah, I say that's right, yeah.
Speeding and lack of booze. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Let us know in the comments below what makes you angry. And also, what's your point of view on how you can tell that Brits are pissed off with you? And as always, we'll see you next week. Ta-ra! And your dogs are starting to get angry. That's very well themed.